and dear honorable judge, we are here for debate competition. In debate competition, our topic is non-vegetarian versus vegetarian food. So I strongly talk means I am from two teams. Means I can talk with vegetarian food also and non-vegetarian food also. So both are equally good for us.
Jess and teachers. Good evening, friends. My name is Shravani Pankaj Pandey. Veg. Veg meals vegetable. Vegetables is carrot, carrot, uh, carrot, brinjal, and onion, and and peas. Thank you.
Judge, teacher, and my dear friends. I am Adishri. I am from vegetarian food. According to me, why should we kill other lives for our food choice? But it's a life cycle, and humans are a part of life cycles. When I will give you some example. When tiger will be eat a deer, uh, and tiger will be die, uh, and he his body will make in soil. In this soil there are grass will be grow, and the grass will deer will be eat. It's a cycle, and human is a part of life cycle. I will give one example. Tiger are dies. सर आधीपासूनच म्हणायचं आहे. It's a life cycle, and the human is a part of life cycle. When tigers dies, uh, his body will make in soil. In this soil the grass and trees will be grow, and the it's the life cycle, and the human is a part of life cycle. And I will give one example. When Yes. Part of life cycle, uh, I will give one example. The tiger was die cycle, and the human is a part of life cycle. I will give one example. Uh, when tiger was dies. Non-vegetarian is not useless for humans because when we eat eggs, then we be healthy. When we but non-vegetarian is not useless for humans because when we eat eggs, then we be healthy, and be healthy is good for our body. We are supporting that vegetarian are good because we are not killing anyone just for a meal. Thank you. Non-vegetarian eats very good food in healthy. Eggs will be eating eggs. So energy. Thank you. Good evening, ma'am and sir. I am Sharvari. I think so. Both food are good because both food give same vitamins, same minerals. That's why. But non-vegetarian foods are not 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 come by dead animals. We some foods are some foods are healthy. Like for example, eggs. Eggs are come from a hen.
Vegetables are good because they help to energize ourselves um, and they give we energy.
Non-vegetarian food can provide quality protein and a lot of amounts of vitamin B12 which can't be naturally found in vegetarian foods. So according to me, a non-vegetarian diet can be very useful.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arnavi. Today I will give some example. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhani means that everyone has a right to live in this world happily. So animals also have right to live in this world happily. So killing animal is very painful. We can got protein, vitamin B12 and so many things from vegetable. I know that vegetable are low expensive than meat, but it can give so many things, and animals have pain also. That thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shravani. Vegetable eats healthy food and green 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 vegetables. Thank you.
Instead of killing animals, even the nature has given us this beautiful food like vegetable, fruit, and some milk products. So instead of killing animals, harm animals, destroy animals' life, instead of doing that, we can eat vegetables and fruit.
We can definitely consume vegetarian food, but it's a matter of efficiency. If we consume non-vegetarian food, we can get a lot of quality protein which can't be naturally obtained from vegetarian food, because because we have to take supplements in vegetarian diet to complete our protein goals.
Both vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food are good because vegetarian food gives us nutrients, minerals, and fibers, and meat gives us fats. And some people say we are killing animals. It is bad for us, but in future they have to die only, and they can reproduce.
I think that don't judge food by emotions. Judge it by means protein and minerals. From both sides, we can get vitamin, minerals, and fiber. Means non-vegetarian food is also important for us, but that quantity we also have to eat vegetarian food also, because it's also helpful for us.
Uh, Instead of killing animals, we should eat vegetarian food, because they also have a small life, so they should also live, and 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 non-vegetarian food build up fat. Non-vegetarian food gives protein and energy like eggs, fish, and chicken. Thank you. Uh, I know some people are vegetarians and some people are non-vegetarian. Some people love chicken, meat, and non-vegetarian. Some people love vegetables, green green vegetables. So why why we why we fight for this?
I agree with the point that we should not kill animals, but at the same pace, we are also destroying forests for vegetarian food. So, according to me, eating non vegetarian food is not sinful. It's just a nature of habit. We are meant to consume non vegetarian and vegetarian food simultaneously.
And my name is Sugandhara. I think we don't want to kill animals because it's also part of a nature or jungle. And you say uh, we cut the trees or it's not good, but I think it's not good. Right. Non-vegetarian food give more energy than a vegetarian food. But I know non-vegetarian gives fat also. But uh, like boxers eat eggs and chicken, and they did not get fat.
But vegetarian food is less expensive than meat. And from vegetarian food and milk products, even though from that we can also have same vitamins, same minerals, and same protein.
I agree with you, but non-vegetarian food covered our injury faster than vegetables. Vegetable is a potato, tomato, and chili. And thank you. But it get but non-vegetarian food get 5 to 6 hours to digest, but it get more energy, so we should eat both. Food same protein as non-veg food. Thank you. I agree with you, but vegetarian food also give energy. Vegetarian food is very good. The doctor said non-vegetarian food is very healthy and for us stamina, like egg, chicken, it etc. I want to share one small experience from my life. I have one friend. Her name is Aradhya. Means she is girl. One day, her father bring fish. She eat fish. She his means her father brought a fish. She didn't eat that. Means she didn't want to eat that, but her father forced him to eat that fish because it's give protein to you. uh, she ate that, but in her neck, like kata, it was pain in her neck. Then she went to doctor, and doctor said we can't do nothing for that. We have to did
operation for that. Means she got an appointment from Nagpur's doctor, and she went there and cut her neck for the operation. Means non-vegetarian also harmful for us. Means we can eat that but in less quantity.
But many doctors say protein is important for children and chicken get vitamin B12.
Are very important to body and calcium. And
I agree with Yuvraj. Yuvraj says eggs give us protein, but why we kill chicken eggs? In the egg, there also have one life cycle, I think. I agree with Yuvraj. Yuvraj says egg give us protein, but why we kill chicken eggs? In the egg, there is also one life cycle. Thank you.
Sports person also eat non-vegetarian food because they can get protein than vegetarian food, and they can also cover our injury faster than vegetarian food.
But but you know what, guys? Drinking milk or eating milk products make our bones very strong, and making our bones very strong, it's good for our health. And whenever we face any injury, so it can recover very faster.
One time, my I have a choti amma. Means my brother's mother. She is vegetarian. One time we goes to non-vegetarian. We went to a non-vegetarian market. Then we eat non-vegetarian, but my brother's mother eat nothing there and go to nothing. She ate nothing and went to the home and ate green vegetables. People think vegetarian food is healthy and easy to digest. Thank you.
But non-vegetarian food proteins, egg, and arms.
Vegetarian food reduce the chances of food poison.
Both vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food is good because it provides us helpful ingredients like fats, vitamin, mineral, which is healthy for us, and from that we can get energy, and we can be active.
Vegetarian food can provide us the same amount of protein and nutrients and minerals as non-vegetarian food. Instead, we should adopt a more vegetarian optimal diet, because God gave us the wisdom to understand life, emotions. We should use that wisdom. We should not butcher animals just for our convenience. I think so. Vegetarian diet can be very helpful for emotional and mental peace.
One question: why called lion jungle of the king, not deer? And eat non-vegetarian. If and so and deer eats only vegetarian. So animal like tiger eat deer easily.
But we can get protein by milk and vegetables also, and it can give us B12 and so many things. So we can eat vegetable and non-vegetarian also. It is good for our health and our mind also. Thank you.
Non-vegetarian food get a high amount of protein than vegetarian food. Why we beat animals? We can only we can eat. Why we can beat animals? We can eat green vegetables because they can give ourselves energy and they can make ourselves healthy.
Not kills animal. We should not kill animal. Instead of killing animals, we should eat vegetarian food.
Now, okay, guys, I want to tell one funny thing that I am so confused. Guys, I want to tell you one funny thing that I am so confused that non-vegetarian food is also healthy for us and vegetarian food is also healthy for us. What should we eat? What should we eat? Okay, imagine that here is two thali of food. In one thali there is non-veg food, and in one thali there is veg food. What we can eat? What we can eat? Can someone give me answer?
We should probably eat the thali or meal which contains more nutrition, more protein, more vitamins.
Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you, sir, and thank you, my friends.